Greetings, family. We are entering Serekunda Market, and these are the muddy streets of Serekunda after the rain. So we like jumping over puddles, stepping to the side on rocks. You can see it's messy. But you know, folks are making their way through. Just wanted y'all to see what it looked like. It's pretty bad. You see, I got my Vans on today. Sneakers, I like my feet covered. I don't know how I feel about the muddy waters. Maybe if they wasn't so dirty, I wouldn't mind it, but here we are. The vendors are still out selling, doing their thing. Huh?